This is my partner, Agent Otto. This is the sock I lost. But back to Otto and me. We work for an organization run by kids that investigates anything strange, weird, and especially odd. Our job is to put things right again. Who do we work for? We work for Odd Squad. Soundcheck Part 2.
Thanks for coming, Odd Squad.
What seems to be the problem, sir?
I bet you can guess what I'm thinking.
A piano?
Exactly. Everybody can see what I'm thinking, which is okay sometimes, but sometimes it's not.
Is that a bear dressed like a ballerina riding a shark in outer space?
I'm allowed to think whatever I want to think? Please, can you help me?
Not to worry, sir. We have a keep your thoughts to yourself-inator.
Oh.
Have a good day, sir.
Thanks, Odd Squad! Wait, now words appear every time I talk. Now there are more words, and more words, and more words. It won't stop. Odd Squad! Oh, it's kind of cool.
You wanted to see us, Miss So? Yes. Something very odd has happened. You remember Danny T?
Hello to the max, yo!
Danny T, lead singer of Soundcheck? I can't believe it. It's so great to see you again.
Miss So, may I have a word? No offense to Danny T, but I really don't like Soundcheck. It's just not my kind of music. So if I could sit this one out, that'd be great. I hear what you're saying. Great. So I can skip this one? No. I just said I hear what you're saying. Danny T, tell Aldonado what's wrong.
Alright, here's the 411. The rest of Soundcheck is missing.
What?
Oh, that's too bad.
It all began with a very unlikely event. We were filming for Soundcheck's new music video for our new hit, The Force of Gravity. But when we brought in the fans, things got out of hand.
Ah, because they were so excited to see you guys.
No, I'm talking about actual fans. Big ones to make wind in our hair. Luckily, I was able to hang on because I just got my nails done.
Whoa.
It's crazy windy, y'all!
Johnny J, Tony D, and Ringo flew out the window, and now I don't know where they are.
It's okay. I bet they'll be at the concert tonight. I bought tickets.
Me too.
But they don't even know about the concert tonight.
What?
As leader of the band, I don't like to worry them with details, so I only tell them we have a concert right before we hit the stage.
That seems like a bad way to work.
I can see that now.
I have an idea on how we can find them. Follow me. I present to you my Soundcheck room.
You secretly turned a room in my headquarters into this? Good work and good luck.
I know everything there is to know about Soundcheck. Where you guys like to go. What you guys like to do. Everything.
I'm speechless.
I know, right?
In a bad way.
Oh.
I appreciate your dedication, but how does all this help us?
Well, I can use the information I know about the three missing guys to help me figure out where they're most likely to be.
You mean like a prediction?
What's that, dog?
A prediction is like the best guess about something that is most likely or least likely to happen. For example, Ringo's favorite thing to do when he's not singing or dancing is eating at restaurants.
Let's go to a restaurant, yo!
Danny! There are tons of restaurants in town.
Oh, yeah.
But I know which one he is most likely to be at. I made this picture graph so I know all the places where Ringo ate.
You're telling me you put a sticker of Ringo's face each time he ate at each restaurant?
Pretty cool, huh? As you can see, he ate Mexican food, seafood, and Italian food.
Italian has the most stickers, which means he ate there the most.
Which means he's most likely to be there right now.
Oh, great prediction, yo.
Let's go.
What's up, guys? I'm just mowing down on some of this crazy, delicious spaghetti.
Ringo, we have a concert tonight, man.
What? I'm so happy you found me. I'm so happy I can sing.
We've
been blown away to different galaxies. It's impossible to maintain escape velocity. Are you ready? 'Cause sound check's back in cosmic harmony.
Guys, we still need to find 2 more soundcheck members. Let's go. What do you know about Tony D?
Well, Tony D's favorite thing to do on his free time is hang out with animals.
Word.
But there are animals everywhere. Which animal is he most likely hanging out with?
Giraffes? Or, giraffes?
We need to make a different prediction.
Check this. On our new album, Tony D wrote a song about his most favorite animals called Zoo-illogical.
I downloaded it 43 times.
Maybe if we listen to Zoo-illogical and we count how many times Tony D mentions each animal,
We will know which animal is his favorite, which also means we will know which animal he's most likely to be around.
I am not listening to another soundcheck song.
You're right. We'll watch the video.
Whenever people tell me they like me because I'm a party animal, I tell them it's time to get zoological. Check it. Hamster, dog, rhinoceros, giraffe, cow, fish, goat, octopus. I said millipede, bat, armadillo. All my animals and me just chillin', yo. If you're a worm or a pangolin, look it up. Not a penguin, a pangolin, look it up. Yo, mastodon, yo, giant skink. I can make you dance even if you're extinct.
I made a bar graph to organize the information. Here are all the animals Tony D mentioned. And this side shows how many times he mentioned each one.
he mentioned hamster 5 times, yo.
And fish 6 times, yo-yo.
And dog 20 times. That's the tallest bar. Yo, yo, yo.
That's more than any other animal. So it's most likely Tony D will be hanging out with dogs. Let's head to the dog park.
Oh, hey guys, what's up? Dude, we have a concert tonight, bro.
What? That makes me so happy. I feel like singing.
Of course you do.
Even if we've been blown away to different galaxies, it's impossible to maintain escape velocity. Are you ready? 'Cause sound check's back in cosmic harmony.
Guys, we still need to find Johnny J.
Olive's right. Let's head back to Otto's sound check room.
Wait, there's no time. But lucky for us, I have a travel version.
Whoa.